first piece of OpenAI hardware is here, and it's a keypad created in collaboration with keyboard maker Work Louder, specifically for controlling OpenAI's agentic coding feature, Codex. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your Tech Hub. The two companies started teasing the accessory in June, and the Codex Micro is available to order now before Joni Ive-designed smart speaker comes later this year. The keypad features 6 frosted keys with LEDs that track the status of agents in Codex, and additional keys that can be assigned to common actions like accepting or rejecting code, branching threads, or using voice input. The keypad also features a dial for switching between the levels of reasoning Codex can use, and a joystick for flicking between Codex workflows. The whole thing is designed to be customized, and it also comes with additional keycaps if you want to assign your own controls. OpenAI recently converted its Codex app into a super app that combines the functionality of the normal ChatGPT with Codex and a new general productivity-focused agent tool called ChatGPT Work. The entire app can be used without dedicated controls, but for die-hard users, Codex Micro would make navigating a lot easier. The Codex Micro is the least troubled of OpenAI's current hardware projects. The rumored rollout of the company's smart speaker has already been complicated by an Apple lawsuit accusing current OpenAI employees Tang Yutan and Chang Liu of stealing trade secrets from the company, as they both previously worked at Apple. The Codex Micro is available to order for $230 from both OpenAI and Work Louder. On its store page, Work Louder suggests it only has a limited quantity of the keypad, so it may only be available while supplies last. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.